Our last story was written by
Ethan,
Will,
Carol,
Kaleia, Nolan.
And this is our story.
and it's called Bickley and the Missing Rainwater.
Up among the clouds, high among the clouds, Roberto was the Cloud King.
I'm Roberto the Cloud King.
And every time he cried, his tears came down as rain. And that's how we get rain. But it's too sunny now, the world is getting drier.
I don't wanna cry no more, don't wanna feel that pain.
Let it rain, let it rain, let tears come down from the sky. It's okay to feel the pain, it's okay to cry.
I don't wanna cry no more, I don't wanna cry no more.
I'm a sea cucumber, a simple sea cucumber. Bickley is my name. Hi, I'm Bickley. I live in the stadium, the UT football stadium. I love to watch the games. We always win the games. Do you want to know my favorite player?
Ethan Burke! Ethan Burke!
Here he comes, my favorite player.
Ethan Burke! Ethan Burke! Yay!
I love this stadium, but it's too sunny and too dry. I need it soaking wet, or I can never survive. Let it rain, let tears come down from the sky. Let it rain, I'm so sad, I wanna cry. I'm so sad.
Oh, look! It's my biggest fan, Bickley, the sea cucumber. What's wrong, little buddy?
Oh, hi, Ethan Burke. Great game. I'm okay, it's just I need it to rain or I can't keep living here. And I love it here, Ethan Burke. I love it here, Ethan Burke.
Gee, I know you do, Bickley. Hey, why don't I kick you up into space where Roberto the Cloud King lives, and you can ask him to make it rain?
Wow, you would do that for me?
Sure, here you go. 1, 2, 3.
Ethan Burke! Ethan Burke!
Oh, hi, Mr. Roberto. Can you please cry so that we can have rain? We really need it. We need it to rain. The world is getting drier.
I don't wanna cry no more, don't wanna feel that pain.
There's nothing wrong with crying.
But it hurts.
I know, Mr. Roberto. I am sad too. I don't want to leave my home. Maybe if we cry together, then it would help you feel better. Let it rain, let tears